Rise and shine everybody! Kamusta na po ang lahat? Tingnan nyo naman kulot ang inday nyo. Kung napanood nyo po ang vlog natin kahapon, nag-forced curl po ako.
Hi guys, I'm back. Look at mama. Hi guys, welcome back. Look at papa. Rise and shine everybody. Rise and shine everybody.
Pa-city po tayo kasi may gustong puntahan si Daniel para doon sa may bilhin siya guys na kailangan niya pa. Tapos punta na din tayo sa mga party store kasi kailangan ko po bumili ng stick para sa balon ni Nathan. Pero unahin po natin ang Toko kasi hindi kami makapag-park na dito sa city. Sobrang busy po. Unahin natin muna ang Toko. Bibili ako ng nakalimutan ko anong bilhin ko sa Toko. I forgot, mahal. What will I buy in the Toko, mahal? Noodles para sa dinner po namin. Kaganda ng weather. Mainit na naman po dito. Last week lang parang nag-winter na. Ngayon mainit na naman. Andito din po sa City Sibianan. Namili ng regalo para kay Nathan. Regalo daw ni Oma Hiska para kay Nathan guys. Siya kasi ang pangit din ko si Oma Hiska. Yung lola ni Daniel. Magpunta pa sa city no. Hindi niya na yan kaya. Kaya si Vika po ang nagbibili ng mga pangregalo kung may mga birthday. How much did you pay, mahal?
30 cents.
30 cents for how many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
3 cents per minute.
Saglit lang man tayo dito. Bili lang tayong noodles. You know which one, mahal?
When you this one, not make sure what this one?
No, the small, just the small one. This one. Here.
This one?
No, there.
This one.
Mahal, look, mahal. Sige, this one. Di tinitingnan saan.
Mama,
Po. Dahil na, let's go na. Hingi na naman daw siya ng candy. Dahil na. Get what you want, mahal. Tingnan nyo, naghintay siya sa sa cashier kaya para makahingi ng candy. Bakit? Anong hingiin mo dyan?
candy.
Ngek. So, show us what do you have? Siya talaga magtanong, can I have something? Can I have something yummy? Now go there to. He knows what to say, mahal ba? Memorize niya na. Meron kasi yan silang mga palibre. 5 euros guys. Mahal siya kasi may ugat-ugat. Kailangan po natin to. Coriander po yan na kasama ang kanyang roots. Ubos na?
Ubos.
Masarap po.
Masarap.
Maybe something is here, mahal. Super busy. The other, what's that, parking lot is full. And this one also very busy. Grabe ka traffic, guys. Baka may ganap sila sa city.
Busy for.
Because it's busy in the city, Bebe Love. Dami ding mga naglalakad. Walang elevator. Where is the elevator? Where? Sobrang busy sa City Hall. Bakit kaya meron? Daming tao sa labas. Grabe ngayon pa talaga mag-ulan ba? Taligsik na. It's raining, mahal. It's raining, Bebe Love. What is that? What do they have there? All the candies.
They're cleaning up. I think there was something.
They're cleaning up daw. Sabi ni Daniel, parang meron daw kaganapan dito kaninang umaga. Ano kaya? Do you have coins, mahal?
Like the auto.
Dito yung mga cheese. All the cheese in the world. Andito din daw si Agoy. Anong gawin mo doon? Hingi na naman ng He wants, what is that? What do you want from there? The?
Marshmallow.
He wants the marshmallow from Maricel store. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan guys sa mga pa-OOTD po nila. Ang
Tanto Marcel.
we're going to Tanto Maricel. Maghingi tayo doon ng marshmallow. You go straight. Straight. Mas excited pa siya magpunta doon kay Maricel, guys. Maghingi ng marshmallow daw siya, uy. Ayan, ano po sila, oh, tourist boat. Mga tourist yan, guys. Ha? Saan? Nandun? Sarap kain nila. Sinapay. Aga-aga pa, oh. Nag-wine na sila, oh. Inuman na. Hindi ko talaga type ang buhok na nagkulot siya, guys. Lalo na pag mahangin. Madali siyang maano. Madali po siyang magulo. Bye! Enjoy! I love you! Last muna yan na sweet today, ha? Yung marshmallow, ha? From Tante Maricel, ha? And then later, you're not getting any sweets anymore. Okay?
Okay.
Ayan, oh, ayan. Dali na, pasok na. Pagkatapos po natin dito mag H&M kami. Mamili kami ng pantalon niya para sa school. Binigyan na siya ng ano. Binigyan na siya ni Maricel. Mahal pa naman ng 60 euros para sa marshmallow dahil. Kailangan ko ba magbili? Maglaro ka lang dyan kaya wala tayong bilhin. Mahal masyado sila dito. Cannot afford.
Yan ang talaga gusto niya dito.
Dali na, alis na tayo. Okay na. Naka-marshmallow ka na. Ay,
Energy na.
ang boss ni Tante Maricel, dali ka na. Dali na ba?
Why?
Because the gravity of the earth. Na. Now, patingin daw ng smile kung happy yan sa ano, marshmallow, kung gaano ka. Ay, o dali na doon tayo sa H&M kaya mas mura ang damit doon. Kakaiba kasi yung mga brand ng mga damit nila dyan, guys. Mamahalin masyado. Kung sa H&M, makabili ka po ng ano, ng pantalo na medyo mura-mura pa. What is that? Dyan siguro mga double ang presyo, guys, ng pantalon. What is that? Money? That's peanut. That's pinda, baby love. Pinda man.
Lumpia?
Agoy. Okay. We go buy lumpia. Wait lang, kay may tao pa. And then you say, Makik ein lumpia. Sek ma, okay? And mama ok. Hello. 2 lumpias kra. Eén voor jou en één voor mama.
Je bent ook wel heel klein, dus dat is het.
Ja. Ja, 2. Ja.
En voor mij.
Is nog warm, baby love? Wacht maar even, mama moet betalen.
Ik wou.
Hard pa ha, hard pa masyado. You like it? I love it. Makain mo ang paper, baby love. Itaas. Yeah, it's hate. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Nathan, ingat sa paper ha. Huwag kainin ang paper. Okay, hot pa or hindi na?
Hapa na paper.
Hot pa ang paper?
Ayan.
Hindi na. Punta tayo kay Papa. Punta na po muna tayo kay... Look, baby love. Punta na muna tayo kay Daniel, guys. Look, they're eating. Ay, wag mo puntahan kaya nag-eat yan sila. Halika, pabayaan mo. Nay.
Ngayon.
They don't like that. It's too hot for them.
I have time to take your food phone.
Okay, tama. Alin klein stuk yan? Alin één keer, hè? Oh, dali na. Tapon mo na. Very good. Yeah. Uy, andito ang tatay. Hindi niya agad nakita. He wants to go there.
Nu ben ik net klaar bij de spellengein.
Yeah. Let's go to the H&M.
Ja, we moeten even kleertjes kopen voor mama.
And for jou. Dali na. Magbili tayo for school because you need new pants for school,
Doesn't
baby
have
love.
anymore.
What?
Well, apparently
Hmm?
this specific board game
Hmm?
has a lot of issues.
And then?
So he said like, oh, we still have a copy with replacement parts.
Hmm.
Went up there. His replacement parts were more damaged than mine.
Yung?
Yes. So he needs to wait for the reprint to get replacement parts.
Ah, that's what you told me yesterday, that you wanted it, yeah, change.
Yes, but he's sending I'll send him an email, and then he will notify me probably in November.
Who, the
when
owner?
the parts are there. No, not the owner, just the guy who works there.
Uy, wag kainin ng paper, ha? He got marshmallow from Maricel Mahal.
Okay.
All the snack in the world.
Yes.
Daming nakaupo ngayon sa restaurant. Okay, maganda ang weather. Inom-inom, kain-kain. Balikan po natin yung pantalon na nagustuhan ko dito, guys. Kasi minsan na ako makakita ng magkasya talaga po sa akin. Lalo na sa length. Shopping pa more. Nakahanap ako ng dalawang pantalon, guys. Mura lang.
I miss you. I love you.
I miss you. I love you. Come here. Here, let's look for your pants here. Kailangan din ito ng pantalon yung hindi po siya mahirapan maghubad sa school, guys. Yung mga ganito ba, oh. Tsaka yung comfy. Here, mahal. Okay, mag 5 days na ba yan siya, guys. I found it. This one, look. Jogger.
Mama vonden.
Look. Mahaba pa man masyado to sa'yo. How about the... Para maano mo, 10 years. 10 years of using this. Still big for him. How about
So
that?
why still big?
Because
Why?
this one daw. This one's perfect. Let's buy this. Ang problema, very thin po siya. Ito pwede pa.
Yes,
20 euros.
Ja, je hebt de winterjas. Die heb je al thuis.
Yeah, meron ka ng winter jacket, baby love. Is that nice? Color red. That is looking nice. But I think that's too small. How about this, mahal? Try this, mahal. Can you hold this? It's not so thin. Kaya kung malamig na, para sa school lang naman. This one na. Let's buy that. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
It's raining, everyone. Laban lang. I want to be walking in the rain. Can you sing for us? Goro mo na siya. Uy.
Heel veel aan.
Bigo na lang tayo pag-uwi sa bahay. Oh, 20%. Mga benta nila dito. 20 euros. Grabe ka mahal po dana eh. Mahal yan siya. Mga China yan siya, guys. Anong meron? I don't know. Someone will be here. Maybe the king? Not the king? Oh, kadaming na gano'n naghintay. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Look, the copper, baby love. With the bus. The barber shop. Oh, there's a parade. I can hear them already. Tambay lang sila dyan. O, naghintay. Siyempre, makichismis tayo. Anong meron? Hintayin din natin yan, no? Daan na muna tayo dito. Para sa stick ng kanyang balloon. Dito, baby love. I think it's here. Dami nating na shopping, guys. Pakita ko mamaya pag nakauwi tayo sa bahay. Just the stick, mahal. Like 9 pieces of sticks. No sticks? No? Wala man silang stick. Uy, kabuang. Meron din silang timag na ganyan. You want this, mahal?
No, you. I don't want
No,
that.
you. How about this? Because we lost ours. Ring
Oh,
for
no
a
need.
cuddle.
To cuddle? Just cuddle?
Frying pan.
What is that, the paper?
Uy, your son is there looking
Come on.
at the... Need fork, mahal. Wooden fork for the cake.
Oké. Nou, kom maar. We lopen even door, kereltje.
Wala man silang normal na
Nou,
stick.
we gaan
Uy,
zoeken naar vorkjes. Hier.
tingnan nyo guys yung mga pang
We gaan hier
gender
zoeken naar
reveal.
vorkjes.
Pa-lipstick nga, bikin. Ano na yung itsura natin? balik na tayo dito. Ngayon, bili pa tayo ng tinidor, guys. Oh, what are you seeing there? All the board games in the
What
world.
is that?
The Slinger Apple. Ngek. Next time, we still have a lot, Bebe Love.
It's a teeny door.
You know what's tinidor? What is tinidor? Tinidor, kutsara. What is tinidor?
Kutsara and teeny door is a fork.
And fork. Very good.
Bahoy.
It's bahuir, said Papa. Yeah? You like the smell?
What is that?
Yung mga baunan ni
Because
sila.
here's plastic.
This is for at school. Look.
And
Here's
this?
plastic.
Oh yeah, plastic.
That's only knife.
Yeah. Andito ang tinidor, guys. Oh. This one, like 2 of this. Basta rin, guys. Excuse me. Labas tayo ulit. Meron pa. Ay, wala na. Nandoon na sila. Wala na. Meron pa siguro. Marami yan sila ba? Grabe ang ulan. My gosh. Ayun, may papunta pa. Oh, basang sisiw sila dyan, oh. Bahala anong mangyari. Baka makasakay sila ng boat, guys. Look, they're in the boat. Ayan na sila. Yan ang mga children playing the... Ay, hindi pala yung mga children. Kala ko mga children. Look! Baka nandyan si Oma. Nag-play ng saxophone. Wow. See that? That's cool. Where is Oma daw? I don't know, look! Wow! What? Where is Oma? No, Oma is not there, Bebe Love. Let's see. Someone is coming? We go take shower, ha? Mahal! We're here. It's raining. Nakipayong po kami dito sa katabi namin, guys. Saan ang iman? Saan ang someone? Andyan. Let's wait here, okay? Tsaka may puno po. Kaya hindi kami nababasa. Si Daniel, bumili na ng payong, guys. Andun pa din siya sa solo. Kita ko ba siya? May hawak-hawak na payong. Magbayad na muna yun. They're almost here.
Where?
There. Look. You see? Can you hear them or not? Color pink pa ang binili, oh. How much is that?
320.
320. Give it to him, mahal. Yeah, mamaya, okay? Later, baby love, later. Feeling good? You want to go now? Can we still see one more?
Coming more?
Yeah. Tingnan nyo ang background music natin, ng mga pa-boat na restaurant dyan. May isa pa. Hintayin na muna natin. Last one and then we go, okay?
It's getting worse.
Yeah.
Where?
Or maybe you can go to the
Saan? Ikaw natin tattoo.
Ha? Still good? Feeling good? Malakas daw, sabi niya. Malapit na sila, oh. Okay na! Tama na! Ulan na masyado! Let's go, my love! Ulan na masyado. Marami pa sana yan ba? Sayang. Ayun pa oh, may papunta pa oh. Bili pa tayo isang payong guys. Nandiyan na po sila Daniel sa mga laruan. Gabi nakabasa ng buko. Ligo na naman mamaya. Dito po tayo. Wow, kita yung mga pogi. Pwede. Tandaan nyo, lahat gagawin ko para sa inyo. Mapanood lang kayo na maganda. Bahala, mabasa tayo. Isang payong lang, hindi na po ako bumili. Kaya sabi ko kay Daniel, bakit pa ako magbili na? Nabasa naman ako. Tapos kadami-dami nating payong sa bahay guys. Madagdagan na naman ang payong. Tama-tama ang ulam natin mamaya sabaw. Diba? Bagay masyado sa mga nangyayari sa buhay natin for today's vlog. Hala, amazing! Grabe, kakaiba. May mga team sila ba? Tingnan yung papadating, guys. Wow! Iba't iba po sila ng team. Woo! Grabe ang balahibo ko, nanindig, guys. Yun na yun. Last na yun. Dito na po tayo sa Intertoys. Andyan sila Nathan. Look! Kabilang. Breads.
And there is something.
And that one is with the monkey.
And the donkey.
And the donkey. And the gorilla is you.
And
Huh?
the trompet.
Ang trumpet. Net als oma.
Ikaw deze.
Ngek. Mas maganda yung tutuhanan. Tingnan nyo ang mister ko. Nagtingin na naman ng pang coffee. So, the same price?
The same price is there, yes.
Huh? Tara na, punta na po tayo sa sasakyan.
Still expensive price.
Where are you going now? To?
Oh, Marika.
What will you do there? May gift siya sa'yo? Not for you, right? For you, for mama, and for papa. Not only for you. May game sila na kukunin kay Vic.
Ik heb een engel cadeautje.
What is that, An?
Engel cadeautje.
Angel gift from Oma Vika?
Yeah.
Is that your old game, Mahal? That is with Vika?
No, that's a box with multiple games that we already had for a long time. But it's with old type games like checkers and
And you want to play that with your son?
Ludo and some of that kind of stuff.
Grabe ang banding nila ngayon, guys.
You want to what?
You want to play that with your son?
Yeah, of course.
Mga
Because he
banding.
wants to play games, but I don't have a lot of games that he can actually play.
Maganda ba ang kulot ko, guys? Tingnan nyo kung paano ko to ginawa sa vlog natin kahapon yan. Panoorin nyo po yan na vlog.
You know, I was in the store asking for a box like that. Because I was telling him like, my son is super enthusiastic about games, but I don't have the simpler games that he can play.
Yeah.
The guy was saying, it's in the bloodline.
Yeah. It's in the bloodline, Mahal. It's in the bloodline, Nathan. Hoy, are you sleepy?
Wat is bloodline? Wat is bloodline?
Agoy, explain pa tayo. What is bloodline? From the blood to blood.
Hij zegt dat jij van papa hebt dat je spelletjes wil spelen.
Oh, dat krijg je van papa, hè?
That you got that from me, that you want to play the games.
Bloodline, blood to blood. Hindi ako sure kung makapag-vlog tayo kay Bianan, kay baka nandyan ang mga apo niya. Mga apo niya, sa kanya po matulog tonight kasi bukas po sa birthday party ni Nathan, si Bianan ang magdala sa kanila. May date po ang nanay at tatay, kaya dito po sila matulog. Itong kulot ko, pag araw-arawin ko to na ganito paggawa, tapos masanay ang buhok na ganito po siya. Mas maganda po itong kulot niya. Lalo na yung dito na side mas magkulot po yan siya. Kaya pinag-iisipan ko ba kung mag short hair na ba ako, ikulot ko muna to. Hindi pa rin ako nakapag-decide, guys. Si Maricel nga, gusto niya maganito. Sabi ko, punta ka sa bahay kay ganituhin natin ang buhok mo. Pero feeling ko sa buhok po ni Maricel na makapal, tapos hindi ganito yung texture ng buhok niya ba? Makapal po yung hibla ng kanyang buhok. Parang mahirap po yun ikulot. Pero itry pa din po natin. Ipakita natin kay Bianan yung sa city. Kasi hindi niya daw alam na may pagganon sa city. Tanungin natin siya about sa buhok. Vika, how do you like my hair, Vika?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's what is that? Forced curl that I just did it like you.
Okay, oh, nice. Maybe I can do it also.
Maar spelletjes spelen straks als we thuis zijn.
So this one.
Ja.
Oh. Is this old, Vika?
Very old.
Very old, like how old? Like 20 years, 40 years, 60 years?
Like 40 years old.
Pinakita ko po sa kanya yung mga video natin sa city. 35 years old. Hindi niya din daw po alam.
Was mooi zeker, hè?
Mas gumanda gud siya na nabasa, guys. Kanina kasi very flat po. Nung ngayon mas nagka-volume siya. In fairness. Grabe nakakulot.
En ze?
Nay, neat lang.
Nee?
Nay. Yung mga kanina na pinanood natin.
Muziekmensen.
Do you want this or that? For tea.
40 now? This one I want. Very girly. Yeah.
En jij?
And you, man?
Ik heb ook nog wel aan. Ik heb hele mooie.
Ja, ik ook die. Ik wil niet die, ik wil die.
Is this from Oma Vika?
Ja, van oma Wietske.
Ay, van Oma Vitska. Oma Vitska, your Oma.
Ja.
Ah, lola pa. Galing pa sa lola ni Bianan. Grabe.
Ze ruiken alsof
Sa
ze heel
nanay
lang
ng
in de
nanay
kast
niya.
hebben gestaan.
Ook een kopje thee.
Look, wow.
Ik wil ook wat een kopje
Look this one.
Yeah.
Wat is dat voor
En
thee?
deze, kijk.
Oh, yeah. Who is that?
In the light.
Yeah, you can see.
Wat is dat?
Who is that? That's a Japanese girl, I think.
Girl.
Wat is
Ja.
dat? Wat is
laat-
dat?
Show natin, papa.
Oh, maar dit is,
Ik denk
dit
dat
is
dit
niet
wel
heel...
fijn. Dit
Wat
is wel.
is dit en dit?
Kijk, een meisje deel.
Pero amoy luma na masyado siya. As in. So this is like, maybe this is like 70 years already, Vika?
Ja.
Yeah.
Zeker.
More than 70 years.
Klinkt anders, hè? Het voelt anders. Dat is gras.
Pak ook maar eens, hier, pak maar eens vast. Doe je vingertjes hier maar zo. Zo. Doe je vingertjes hier maar zo. Voelt ook anders, voel je?
Dit is koud. Dit is niet zo koud.
Dit is warm.
Dat is koud. Dus dit is glas en dit is
Plastic.
plastic.
Oma.
Oh ja, dit is oud.
Nee,
Hoy, niet
dat is
normaal.
huid. Niet hout, maar huid.
Oud.
Thank you so much, Vika, and see you tomorrow
Oh, ja. Ja, of course.
for the birthday of Nathan.
Morgen.
Zeg maar, oma, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Kus, kus, kus.
Ay, Treja, no. Umuulan pa rin. So guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa mga pa-vlog natin for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow. Kung hindi absent.